Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry broccoli and chicken. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want about 5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces. Next, chop 4 cups of fresh broccoli florets. Finally, whisk together your favorite stir-fry sauce or a simple mix of soy sauce, a touch of sesame oil, and grated ginger. This prep makes cooking super fast. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your chicken pieces in a single layer. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are nicely browned and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside for a moment. Time for the veggies. Add your broccoli florets to the same hot pan. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender crisp and vibrant green. Now, pour in your delicious stir-fry sauce, letting it bubble and thicken slightly. Finally, return the cooked chicken to the pan, tossing everything together to coat it evenly. Just a couple more minutes and your meal is ready. Continue to cook for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring everything is heated through and the sauce has thickened to your liking. For an extra touch, you can garnish your stir-fry with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or some freshly chopped green onions. Serve this fantastic chicken and broccoli stir-fry immediately over steamed rice or noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.